Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 19th. Time is around 6:30 GMT and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So here in the Dow Jones, still corrective price action, I would say. So what we have here is that I believe we are working here on a correction. And so I think this here was just the first leg of the correction. So I would label this as a wave W. And then this wave W was made as an A, B, C structure like this. We reacted from the reversal areas. And I believe now we are on our way up here as a wave X, and then once we reached this area, we are ready to go down again. I believe this because yeah, overall for me this price action looks corrective. This does not really look impulsive to me, and like we have a lot of overlap here in this structure. And secondly, yeah, also if I look at the other indices, they are also acting corrective. So this makes me think that we are doing a wave X right here, and then once we reached this area, then we can turn down again as a wave Y. Now, is there a chance that the wave X was in right here? I would say for the Dow Jones, this looks a bit unlikely because yeah, either you count this as five waves, I would say one, two, three, four, five. Okay, and then here you have a wave A, but an impulse cannot be corrective. Then we should still have a wave B and a wave C. And at the other hand, if we would call it as a WXY, as indicated in green, then we are missing, yeah, at least one more swing up, because then from here we have like, we need three, and then it would be one, two, and we need our third swing up. So although some other indices might have finished right here, for the Dow Jones, this looks a bit. This would look a bit strange. I would. It's not really a complete structure that we have here. So I would expect at least one more swing up. So ideally into this area, and then from here we can go down again. So now if we look at the lower time frame, the 1 hour here, I think so to do this wave X, there are two paths to do this. My preferred one here is the one in green, where we had so far till here three swings as an A, B, C. This is then our wave W. We came down, shallow wave X, not really ideal. Normally, as a wave X, we should go here into this area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements, but here this is our 0.5 level. Actually, we came quite close to the zero point 0.5 level. Excuse me. So then wave X down, and if this low holds here, then I would call here for a wave A. Now we are in wave B area, and then like if we take the length of the wave A, wave B area is between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements. We are currently in this area right now, and then from here I would expect this last swing I talked about. This would then be our wave C up, impulsive structure up, to finish wave Y, to finish wave X. So that would be my primary scenario, but therefore this low needs to hold. If this low does not hold, does that mean that the wave X setup is invalidated? No, not really. Then what could happen is that we have to count this here as an impulse. I don't really like counting this as an impulse. This is not really supported in my RSI. So, but okay, if I have to do this, then I would do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 right here. And if we take out this low, that could mean that we are working here on the wave B. So if we take here the length of our wave A, then, so wave A in red, then wave B is supposed to go between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. So, and then once we're here, we can expect the wave C up to finish this wave X. So that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.